Sorry, we had a question here in class, which is a very good question. Can you repeat it for me, please, Natty?
2460 or 2460.
Yeah. Okay, so some people will say this is 2400, right? So if we just think math, put on our math brains for a second here. This is the ones place, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, and this is the thousands. Okay? So the correct way, and another thing we do is we work backwards, the Arabic way, and after every 3 digits, we put a comma, right? And then, as Sala mentioned the other day, we also put a dot, but only when we're talking about money, all right? When we do the cents. Otherwise, we use commas every 3 spots, okay? So the correct way to read this number would be 2,460, right? But you often get people who will say 2,400, which can be confusing, right? I always go with the way I was taught in school, and I'm just like, because when I say to my kids, like, oh, 1,500, they're like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, oh yeah, 1,500. Oh yeah, that makes sense, because that's how we're taught in school, right?
Because I said something the other day to
Yeah.
Chris, I think something, Dirk Bike or something, he was talking about it, I said, son, you got 20 some whatever.
Yeah.
He says, no, I got 2,000 and whatever.
Yeah.
And he says, it's the same thing. How can it be the same thing?
Yeah, yeah. So what they're doing here then is they're taking this 15 and they're saying 1,500, right? So that can be kind of confusing. I don't know. I always say each of the different spots. So after the thousands, we have the 10,000s, then the 100,000s, and then the millions. Yeah, yeah. This is a chance for you to practice saying those numbers with your partner right now.